Greetings class 4 students. Today our geography chapter is knowing our country. This is chapter 1. So let's start with the chapter. Knowing our country, that is India. Our country. India is located in the continent of Asia. It is the 7th largest country in the world. Its northern part joined to Asia and the lower half forms a peninsula surrounded by water on 3 sides. India is bounded in the west by the Arabian Sea and in the east by Bay of Bengal. The Indian Ocean lies in the south. In the north lie the Himalayan ranges and Kanyakumari forms the southern tip. The southernmost point of India is Indira Point. India has 29 states and 7 union territories. You have to learn all the states' name and their capital, which is in your book. New Delhi is the national capital of India. The smallest state is Goa and the largest is Rajasthan. Our neighboring countries are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives. India and her neighboring countries form the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, in short SAARC, on 8 December 1985. India's national anthem written by Rabindranath Tagore. The national flag has 3 colors: saffron, white and green. National flower lotus. National bird peacock and national animal tiger. So we end the chapter. You have to learn the chapter from your book very thoroughly, and soon I will and I hope that you got all the question and answer which I already sent in the group. You must learn the new words at the back of the chapter. Then you have to learn the name of the neighboring countries, their capital, their official language, which is already in your book. You please learn, student. And that's all. We end the chapter. And thank you, student. See you soon.